Ålesund lies on the edge of western Norway, a coastal city built across several small islands, where the fjords open into the wide Atlantic Sea. Around 50,000 people live here, surrounded by mountains, water, and that quiet northern light that makes everything feel a little softer. Tourists come here for many reasons. The colorful Art Nouveau streets, the calm harbor where boats move like they're part of the scenery, and the feeling that the city itself is gently floating between waves and sky. But behind this elegance lies a dramatic chapter. In the early hours of January 23, 1904, a fire broke out in a small factory on ASP. The wind was fierce that night, and the flames traveled faster than people could run. Before morning came, almost the entire wooden town was gone. 10,000 people stood outside in the winter cold, watching their homes disappear into smoke. And still, something beautiful remained. A few houses survived, including the little Waldehuset, the home that somehow refused to burn. People still tell its story today. What followed was a rebirth. Young architects from all over Norway helped rebuild Ålesund in stone and brick, in the soft curves and patterns of art. The city that rose from the ashes became one of the most unique places in the country. And nowhere is this story clearer than from Aksla, the mountains standing right above the town. From here, Alesund looks almost unreal. Islands stitched together by bridges, rooftops glowing in the evening sun, and the fjords stretching like silver threads into the distance. It's a small city, but with a soul much larger than its size. A place shaped by fire, rebuilt with beauty, and softened by the sea and the light that never quite leaves. This is Alesund, beautiful and unforgettable.